I want to do a quick tutorial on the song written and composed by Visuvasam. The song is Ella Namathirkkum. It's a Tamil song. If you haven't heard it, please listen to it. It's a beautiful song. One of the best Tamil worship songs. So here we go. This is how he's playing it. That's the first time, second time, and third time he plays. And then the song starts. So here we go. I'm going to play along with the song and then
Namathirkkum melana namam en Yesuvin namame adaye andri vere namam illai puvil en Yesuvin namame adaye andri vere namam illai puvil en Yesuvin namame en Yesuvin namame Yesuve 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 Adiyandam illa anadi devane என்றும் இருப்பவரே எந்தன் வாழ்வை முற்றும் நடத்துபவர் நீரே என்னோடு இருப்பவரே என்றென்றும் இருப்பவரே எந்தன் வாழ்வை முற்றும் நடத்துபவர் நீரே என்னோடு இருப்பவரே Yesuve, 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 Yesuve.
okay, so that last two times, they play B minor. So that's a D, the second inversion of the D on the right hand, and left hand you're playing the G flat, both octaves. So B minor, G, D, second time. So B minor, G, so D over D over G flat, and then A, and then you're kind of holding that A.
Tudiyum ganamum magimayum Namathirkkum Tudiyum ganamum magimayum Namathirkkum
Again, so it goes you hit that A. So chords again are D, A, G, A. So I'll try to
துதியும்
play with the
கனமும்
song.
மகிமையும் நாமத்திற்கே துதியும் கனமும் மகிமையும் நாமத்திற்கே துதியும் கனமும் மகிமையும் நாமத்திற்கே
It's the first time,
துதியும்
second time.
கனமும் மகிமையும் நாமத்திற்கே.
Here the chord progression changed from D, it goes to so B minor, A, G, A. Second time. Then it goes fast.
நாமத்திற்கே துதியும் கனமும் மகிமையும் நாமத்திற்கே துதி.
Okay, different chords there. So that's a B minor, A, then you go to C, hold, and then go B flat. Okay, again, I'll play along with this.
துதியும் கனமும் மகிமையும் நாமத்திற்கே துதியும் கனமும் மகிமையும் இயேசுவின் நாமத்திற்கே இயேசு.
Okay, now the chord changes. So how they're doing that is hit an E there. That's a D flat minor, 7. So it goes from D flat minor 7, A, E, B. And then they end the song again with the same parts on the A. It's played. And the bass note is, it's an A flat, A. It's a C sharp minor 7, but the melody notes are, it's a E flat, E, G flat, B, D flat, E, A flat, so A flat, G flat, E, go to a G flat. The song right there. So hopefully this helped. I know this is a really quick tutorial. If you guys need any extra help with the chords or numbers, you can just email me or just send me a message on the YouTube link and I'll reply to you. Thank you guys for watching.